This is the absolutely cleanest way to chunk over collections or database queries in Laravel. So let's imagine this hypothetical. We have this code. We want to change the duration that's smaller than 100 to double it for each transformation. So we chunk by ID as we change a value in the database while chunking over it. And we get a collection. This collection we then need to run each over and update for each. Well, we could do this in a more clean way, but let's imagine it should be this way. There's many cases where I have this code written. So how to do this more cleanly? There is a very easy way, and let's just delete everything here and then instead go for each by ID. And then we take our transformation and we type it. We always type because we do like types. And then we just do what we did before. We take our transformation, we update it, and we take the duration times 2, right? That's what we did earlier. But now, at the end, there's one more parameter we add, and that is our chunk size. And this way, we do chunk over everything by ID, but we just left out the collection part where we needed to type something for no reason at all. So each by ID works great, and if you do not need to chunk by ID because you don't change anything, you can just go for each and you can do the same. So this is super clean, and well, it just saves a lot of a lot of typing, and well, also typing in the sense of you don't have to write the collection type as well. So it's I've seen that, I think on Twitter someone shared that. I hope it's in the docs by now because it's not described in the Laravel docs as per the Twitter thread. But I wanted to share this with you because it's really clean and I do enjoy using it a lot now. So I just use it wherever I chunked, then use the collection and did something. I just use each with the count. It's much better. Or each by ID. That's what you should use. So see you next time. Thanks for watching.